Ako parang sabi ko nga sa taas, nakasabi ko lang na parang, ano ba yan, parang puro rom-com na yung ginagawa ko ngayon, parang nakakapanibago. Tapos, ayun, sinabi ni Kim na, sabi niya,
Sabi niya kasi siyang serious. It's
ah,
about time, di ba? Parang bagay naman siya rom-com, di ba po?
sakto lang, sakto lang.
Mas bagay daw
Iba-iba
po.
naman.
Ano po, mas bagay po kayo nung nakapin.
Palit tayo.
Hindi na ako magtato. Thank you.
Okay. Yung outfit.
Ito, JP, ang dami na. Yung level ni Kim, JP.
Hi Kim, hi Paolo. Welcome to Dubai.
Well,
We are from Expat Media. We're very happy to see you here in Dubai. Actually, yung mga fans ninyo, parang nag-message sa amin. Asking, kailan mo talaga sila go on stage? In fact, one to even reach out to us to say they really want to book the tickets for the program so we can see you tomorrow. So that just shows us how big of a fan that we have here in the Philippines as well. And speaking of your fandom, one of the questions that we actually wanted to ask you was about your love team that you're on screen love team. What do you think exactly makes it work? And bakit nga ba magaling kayo magpakulit sa tao? Hindi actually hindi rin namin alam. Siguro sobrang galing lang talaga ng director namin. Siya na naglalagay ng mga background music sa amin. And then, hindi namin alam kung anong, bakit. Maraming support ka sa pero sobrang kami thankful na nag-inspire namin sila and kinikilig sila sa aming dalawa. And maraming salamat din syempre na merong nabuong grupo na sinusupport sa amin.
and to add what Kim said, I think it's also, yes, the constant effort on our part and maybe the willingness to collaborate with each other because I'll give an example. We did ASAP Milan last year and no one knew about Yunnan, no one knew about Second or anything yet. So, lagi kong kausap si Kim, parang may performance tayo, paano natin papakita sa audience para abangan nila yung Yunnan paglabas sa TV. So there was really an effort also on our part to really try and make it work because I mean not every pair up is gifted with a gifted chemistry and on-screen chemistry. So yeah, I'm glad that I got to work with Kim and she's very willing and open to collaborate and open for suggestions. For tomorrow, I think we're doing. I'm doing 3 songs, and we're doing 2 duets. I don't think maybe for the Kim Pals who have been following us. Thank you. I don't think they'll see anything new because I only have a pool of songs that I can sing. As I always say, I'm always an actor first, and everything after that is a bonus. Unless they make me sing and act at the same time. But yeah, we'll try our best to para hindi kayo mabitin or mapasaya kayo for tomorrow.
Ako naman, yun nga, sabi ni Paolo, siguro they're gonna see me sing and dance and sing with Pao, and then go to the chika with the audience and everything, and then excited din kami to be with mga kababayan dito sa Dubai and makita namin sila and makapag-perform. Sana maraming makapunta bukas. So, sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat bukas.
Welcome to Dubai. Here's a question po. Since after Barbie Fiesta, si Catiola, Marquis, and Pencil, I think ang mga kaglobal natin sa itong silangan, they've all been waiting for sa Quintao. Yes. And the long way is finally over. Our question, okay, our question po is, what is next after What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? And will it ever be considered for Quintao to do a movie project here where will be shot here in Dubai? Kung possible.
Ano na nga, hindi ko rin ginawa dati sa...
Dubai.
Dubai, shot Dubai.
Love or money?
Na Angelica and
Coco.
But for another project or a movie project, probably, there's a strong possibility that you guys will strong possibility pa. Hindi pa 100% sure. And as for, parang yun po muna for now. Parang we have a lot of local shows also in the Philippines this year to get, parang mapasaya rin yung mga ibang kababayan natin sa ibang parte ng Pilipinas. And hopefully, we get to perform for other Filipino communities in other countries. Isa sa mga favorite ko talaga nagpo-perform sa ibang bansa dahil ano siya parang melting pot ng buong Pilipinas. Kumbaga, sa Luzon, sa Visayas, sa Mindanao, so parang lahat nakakasalamuha mo na ako. So it's always a treat and a pleasure to perform for the kababayan and our community.
Thank you, Quintao.
Hi po. Question po, as an aspiring content creators or artist po, like, paano po mag-start? Paano mag-build yung confidence sa pagiging actress?
Well, I think we all have the same problem when we start. Parang we don't have the confidence. But, you know, with repetition and knowledge, parang comes the confidence. If you know what you're doing and you're confident about, if you're sure about what your content is or what your talent is and what you want to showcase, then maybe you can start there and slowly build your confidence. Pero, ako hanggang ngayon, parang kabado pa rin ako sa mga yan. Pero, you know, just parang kumbaga sa pag-arte, we have a material, we know our environment, just be familiarize yourself with, you know, parang, si Jake, parang favorite yung sinasabi, Jake Wine, favorite yung sinasabi yung repetition. It actually helps. Parang rehearsing with yourself, rehearsing the lines, rehearsing the dance, rehearsing your skills, parang doon naaayos, doon mo nakikita. And then you could always record yourself also to see paano mag-portray sa others.
Ako naman, siguro the simplest way to explain yung tanong mo is just to keep on trying. Kasi masyado naman malawak yung mundo ng social media or masyado malawak yung mundo ng showbiz world. Kung saan ka yung, alam mo yung missing puzzle or kung saan ka fit na fit, dun mo aralin at dun ka gagaling talaga.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Our next question will come from
Kai.
last two questions.